Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Imagine having a brain surgeon, a chef, and a genius physicist all in one. Now imagine they're your personal tutor, available to you 24/7. So, let's get started. You might be wondering how you can use AI as your personal tutor for any subject. Well, it's quite simple really. Think of AI as a super smart friend who knows everything and is always happy to help. Just like how you'd ask your mate for advice on what to wear or what game to play, you can ask your AI tutor for help with learning anything. Now, you might be thinking, but Aria, how do I explain something complex to an AI? Well, let's try the ELI5 technique. Imagine you're explaining a game of football to your little sibling who just learned to walk. You'd use simple words and examples that they could understand, right? It's the same with explaining things to AI. You need to break it down into simple bits so the AI can get it too. Next, let's talk about quizzing yourself with AI. Imagine you're taking an online quiz and the questions are getting progressively harder. You can use AI to create these quizzes for yourself and see how well you know a subject. This is a great way to test your knowledge and identify areas where you need more practice. Now, let's talk about how you can get the same information from different angles. Imagine you're trying to understand a new language and there are lots of different explanations online. You can use AI to find multiple sources that explain something in different ways, so you can see what works best for you. Finally, let's talk about building a learning plan with AI. Imagine you're planning a road trip and need to know what to do at each stop along the way. You can use AI to help you create a personalized learning plan that takes into account your strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. What's been your most memorable AI learning experience? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and preview our next episode where we'll be exploring the world of natural language processing.